Have you ever wondered what really happens when you press the power button on your smartphone? That simple press triggers a complex series of events inside your phone's tiny brain. When the power button is pressed, an electrical signal is sent to a special chip called the Power Management IC. This chip is responsible for distributing power to the other parts of your phone, like the CPU, memory, and screen. The Power Management IC activates the phone's main processor, also called the System on Chip or SoC. This processor includes the CPU, GPU, and other key components. Before doing anything complex, the processor looks at a small piece of code that's permanently stored inside it. This is called the boot ROM. The boot ROM has one job: wake the system and perform basic checks. The boot ROM checks whether the phone's hardware is in good condition. It tests the RAM, battery status, internal storage, and other critical components. Think of it as the phone asking itself, is everything okay? Can I continue? If everything passes, it moves to the next stage. Now the bootloader is loaded from internal storage, like eMMC or UFS. The bootloader acts like a gatekeeper. It decides what to load next. Its main task is to load the phone's operating system. It also verifies whether the OS is safe and signed by the manufacturer. Next comes the kernel, which is the heart of the mobile operating system. If you're using Android, it's based on the Linux kernel. If you're using an iPhone, it uses the XNU kernel. The kernel is like a traffic controller. It manages hardware like touch input, screen display, camera, and network connectivity. It also loads drivers, which are tiny software pieces that help the phone talk to its hardware. Now, the system begins launching important background services. These include the app launcher, lock screen, file system manager, notification system, and more. If you're using Android, it starts with the Zygote process, which helps load apps faster. In iOS, it loads Springboard to handle your home screen. Finally, your home screen appears. You see your wallpaper, app icons, and widgets, ready for action. From a simple press of the button, your phone is now powered on, checked its health, verified software, and launched a full operating system, all in just a few seconds. The next time you turn on your phone, remember, behind that smooth animation is a mini computer performing a high-speed startup sequence to bring your digital world to life. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning cool tech stuff in simple language, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.